Hi, I'm Genevieve, Lady G. I want to share with you how I start a perfect day. Java, that's my start of the day. Coffee. To make my coffee, I start with this coffee pot. In front of us, I have everything I need. Let's begin. You fill the bottom of the coffee pot to this marker with water. You flip the metal tin onto that bottom part, and that's where you'll put your 1.5 tablespoons of coffee. We're going to begin. Here we go. Number 1, you put your water up to the marker, don't forget. Then you put the metal coffee filter in place, and that's where you're going to put your 1.5 tablespoons of coffee powder. You can put more or less. That is to taste. Then you're going to take the top part, spin it around nice and tightly so that the vapor does not escape, and you fire her up, baby. Should take 2 to 5 minutes. Once you hear the bubbling, lower the heat. That'll make a better coffee. You'll see it brewing. The aroma will fill the kitchen. Enjoy your day. Have some coffee. Add sugar to taste if you like that, of course. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.